So, hi dear Gemini, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is 7 days, 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Gemini Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 19 till the 25th of May. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box, you'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self-Love course, 2 links are given below in the description box. So, let's start. Gemini. 19th, we have the silence. The more you are going to practice silence on this particular day, the more you are going to get your answers or solutions to the problem that you're facing in your life right now at this present moment. It's all about practicing silence more and getting in tune with your own inner self. This day is all about connecting with yourself. 20th, we have the sharing. The more you are going to share whatever you can from your side, the money, the resources, your knowledge, in a positive way to others, the more it's going to come back towards you in the form of blessings. This day, do whatever you can do, share whatever you can share from your side to the needy, to the helpful, to the people who are like in need of helps. Okay, be helpful, but not don't have any kind of expectation of, okay, I'm going to get blessings, that's why I should do that. It's manipulation. Don't do that. Do it with all of your heart and soul. 21st, we have the experiencing. You are going to experience some kind of situation again that you have experienced before as well. How you are going to react this time, how you are going to tackle this problem and resolve this problem this time is a like key to understanding what you should do and what you should not do, what you should do and what you should not be doing after experiencing the situation again. It's a test from the universe's side where you are going to get a similar kind of experience, and the universe is going to feel like, now what you're going to do about it. See, like, okay, test. 22nd, we have the new vision. On the 22nd of May, you are going to get up and you are going to feel like everything is shifting, everything is changing. You are no longer the same person. You can't see people, things and situation from the same vision, because your vision is changing, or your vision is different now. For those of you who are stuck on something or someone from a very long time, you have to practice this energy of creating a new vision for that situation, and you will be able to understand that situation is kind of not the same again. All you need is a new vision, new perspective. 23, we have the letting go. Now on this particular day, you have to practice the art of detachment, practice the art of letting go. You might be trying to change something or cling to something or control something, but once you are going to learn the art of letting go and detachment, you will be able to understand that all you have to do is to let go of certain things, people and situations that you can't change or make work out in make them work out in your favor. Sometimes letting go is the answer. 24th, we have the success. Now Gemini, you are going to get some kind of success on the 24th of May, but instead of going all gaga over it and feeling over the top of the world, you should definitely enjoy, you should definitely celebrate, but be humble and grounded. Okay, don't feel like only you got this success, only you have the power to get this success, nobody else can do that. It's bullshit. This illusion you have to break. Enjoy your success, be happy, but remain grounded and humble. Okay. 23rd. 24th, we have the Fool card. Now, in order to start something in your life, you have to take the risk of going in a particular direction and go in that particular direction with love, with this energy of the universe got your back, and whatever is going to happen, you are going to get the lesson and or you are going to get the blessing out of a situation. Don't worry too much about it. Just take the leap of faith with the universe, with the innocent soul. Okay, and be innocent, be naive, be beautiful, be kind-hearted, be compassionate, be like a kid. Then the universe got your back, and you will definitely be able to start something that you might be trying to achieve from quite a long time now. The universe got your back now. You can do that. Green signal. So thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.